Is that good stuff?
Yeah, good stuff.
Okay, can you sing your ABCs?
A, B, C, F, G, A, B.
That's it? A, B, C, D. Good stuff. Can you do your ABCs again, please? Come on, do it for Granny and Papa. Granny and Papa want you to do your ABCs. Aiden. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What about counting to 10? Can you count to 10? Aiden Hunter. Aiden. Okay, bye. Love you. Bye-bye. You want to count to 10 or you want to go bye-bye?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job.
15, 20.
Oh, wow. Good job. You want to try your ABCs one more time? No? You're good? No more ABCs?
A, B, C, F, G.
H.
A, P.
Elemento.
P.
Very good. Q, R, S,
Q.
T, U.
Die.
W, X, Y, and Z.
T. Y.
Y. What's the last one?
2.
Z.
Z.
Say, now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't Aiden sing with me? Whose baby doll are you? Who loves you? Aiden. Does Mom love you? Okay.
Good job.
Good stuff. Did you get a haircut?
Bye-bye. Haircut.
Good job. You were a good boy during your haircut. Okay, I don't think that's so good for you to eat all that toothpaste, hon.
Good job.
It's good stuff. You like brushing your teeth?
Yeah. Brush your teeth.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you. You want to kiss the camera? You're so cute.
Kiss the camera.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.